Drones. They used to be the stuff of science fiction movies buzzing around futuristic cities. Now they're a reality, hovering above our neighborhoods and transforming industries. But where did these flying machines come from, and how did they become so commonplace? The story of drones is one of continuous innovation, driven by advancements in technology and a desire to see the world from a different perspective. From humble beginnings as remote-controlled airplanes to sophisticated autonomous aircraft, drones have come a long way. Today, drones are more than just flying machines. They're powerful tools equipped with advanced sensors, cameras and software that allow them to collect data, perform tasks and even make decisions on their own. Join us as we explore the fascinating journey of drones, from their early days to their promising future. The earliest drones were primarily developed for military purposes. These unmanned aerial vehicles, as they were technically known, were used for reconnaissance and target practice. Military engineers experimented with remote-controlled aircraft, aiming to reduce the risk to human pilots in dangerous situations. Early drones were rudimentary compared to their modern counterparts. They were often large, difficult to maneuver, and limited in their capabilities. However, these early experiments laid the foundation for the development of more sophisticated drone technology in the years to come. The real breakthrough for drones came with advancements in several key areas. Battery technology improved, allowing drones to fly for longer durations. Lighter and more powerful batteries meant drones could carry heavier payloads and stay airborne for extended periods. The development of miniaturized sensors revolutionized drone capabilities. These sensors, including GPS, accelerometers, and gyroscopes, provided drones with spatial awareness and enabled more precise flight control. The integration of autopilots, essentially miniature computers capable of controlling the drone's flight path, was another game changer. One of the most significant advancements in drone technology was the integration of high-quality cameras. Early drones were limited to basic imaging capabilities, but the advent of smaller, more powerful cameras transformed drones into versatile aerial photography platforms. Suddenly, anyone could capture stunning aerial photographs and videos that were previously only accessible to those with access to helicopters or airplanes. This development democratized aerial imagery, opening up new possibilities for photographers, filmmakers, and hobbyists alike. Section 5. The Drone Revolution. Affordable and accessible to all. As technology advanced and production costs decreased, drones became more affordable and accessible to the general public. What was once a niche technology primarily used by the military and a select few hobbyists quickly gained popularity among a wider audience. Consumer-grade drones, designed for ease of use and affordability, flooded the market. These drones, often equipped with user-friendly interfaces and intuitive controls, made it possible for anyone to experience the thrill of flight and capture stunning aerial imagery. Section 6. Eyes in the Sky. Drones transforming industries. The impact of drones extends far beyond photography and recreational use. Drones are rapidly transforming various industries, providing cost-effective and efficient solutions to complex challenges. Their ability to access hard-to-reach areas and collect data from unique vantage points makes them invaluable tools across multiple sectors. In agriculture, drones are used to survey crops, monitor irrigation systems, and even apply pesticides with precision. Construction companies utilize drones for site inspections, progress monitoring, and creating three-dimensional models of project sites. Section 7. Beyond visuals, deliveries, inspections, and more. The applications of drones continue to expand as technology evolves. Companies are exploring the use of drones for package delivery, offering faster and more efficient shipping solutions, particularly in urban environments. Drones are also being deployed for infrastructure inspections, inspecting bridges, power lines, and pipelines for damage or defects. Law enforcement agencies utilize drones for search and rescue operations, crime scene investigations, and traffic monitoring. Environmental scientists use drones to monitor wildlife populations, track deforestation, and assess the health of ecosystems. Section 8. The future is autonomous AI and drone swarms. The future of drone technology is filled with even more exciting possibilities. Artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in drone development, enabling autonomous navigation, object recognition, and even decision-making capabilities. Drones equipped with AI can navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and perform tasks with minimal human intervention. Another promising area of development is drone swarms, where multiple drones work together in a coordinated manner. Imagine a swarm of drones collaborating to extinguish a wildfire, conduct a search and rescue mission, or even build structures in remote locations. Section 9. Navigating the skies, regulations, and ethical considerations. As drone technology continues to advance and its applications expand, it's crucial to address the regulatory and ethical considerations surrounding their use. Governments worldwide are working to establish rules and regulations governing drone operation to ensure safety and security. Privacy concerns also need to be addressed. Drones equipped with cameras raise concerns about unauthorized surveillance and data collection. It's important to strike a balance between innovation and privacy, ensuring that drone technology is used responsibly and ethically. The future of drone technology is bright, but it's our collective responsibility to ensure that these advancements benefit humanity while respecting individual rights and privacy.